Good morning, students. So in the previous class we have learned the two formula for interpolation. One is Newton's forward interpolation formula and Newton backward interpolation formula. Today I will be doing some sums corresponding to the formula. Okay, first it is given for some xy. For some x, the values of y are given. When x equals to 1, y equals to 6. When x equals to 2, y is 8, 3, 11, 4, 18, 5, 22. Okay. So x are entries, y are the argument. Now we see that the values x are in the equidistance form. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are in the equidistance form. Okay. Now we have to find the value of y when x equals to 1.5. Now we see that 1.5 lies between 1 and 2. That is the beginning of the table. So we can use the Newton forward interpolation formula. To use the Newton interpolation formula, first we have to construct the difference table. Okay, difference table. So to construct difference table, we first take these values in the column form. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is given 6, 8, 11, 18, 22. Now first differences are 8 minus 6, which is 2, 11 minus 8, which is 3, 18 minus 11, which is 7, 22 minus 18, which is 4. Okay. Second difference, delta square y is 3 minus 2 is 1, 7 minus 3 is 4, 4 minus 3 is minus, 4 minus 7 is minus 3. Okay. Third difference, 4 minus 1 is 3, minus 4 minus 4, minus 3 minus 4, this is minus 7. And fourth difference, the last difference, which is minus 10. Okay. So this is the difference table. Now these values are, if we take x0, y0, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, x4, y4, then these values are delta square delta y0, this is delta square y0, this is delta cube y0, this is delta to the power 4 y0. Okay. And the last differences are, this is delta n minus 1 y0, this is sorry, this is delta y, fourth difference, the highest value is 4, so 4 minus 1. This is delta square y n 4 minus 2, this is delta cube y 4 minus 3, this is delta cube y delta to the 4 y 4 minus 4. Okay. Now we have known the Newton forward interpolation formula, which is fx equals to, or fx approximated to y0 plus uy delta y0 plus u into u minus 1 by 2 factorial delta square y0 plus u into u minus 1 into u minus 2 divided by 3 factorial delta cube y0 plus u into u minus 1 into u minus 2 into u minus 3 divided by 4 factorial delta to the power 4 y0. That is maximum delta to the 4 y0 is given. So the formula will stop here. Here n equals to 4. Okay. Now where u equals to u equals to x minus x0 divided by h. Okay, now x is given as 1.5. Here x is, we have to find the value at x equals to 1.5. So we take x equals to 1.5 minus x0, which is given as 1, divided by h is the difference, equidistance between the entries. Okay, so 0.5, u equals to 0.5. So f of 1.5 equals to, if we put the value y0 is the first value, which is 6. So 6 plus u equals to 0.5 into delta y0. Delta y0 means delta y0 is 2 plus 0.5 into 0.5 minus 1 divided by 2 factorial means 2. Delta square y0. Delta square y0 is 4. Sorry. 2. Delta square y0 is 1. Okay. Into 1 plus u into u minus 1. This will be 0.5 minus 1, 0.5 minus 2 divided by 3 factorial means 6 into delta q by 0. Delta q by 0 is 3 plus 0.5 into 0.5 minus 1 into 0.5 minus 2 into 0.5 minus 3 divided by 4 factorial. 4 factorial means 24 into minus 10. Delta therefore y0 is minus 10. Okay. By calculating with this, we will get first is 6 plus second is 1, third we will get minus 0.25 by 2 plus last this will be multiplied minus plus. Okay, total will be 0.375 divided by 6 into 3 plus this will be 0.9375 and minus and also minus, so plus, so 0.9375 divided by 24 into 10. Okay, after calculating we will get 7 minus 0.125 plus 0.1875 plus 0.3906. Okay, this is 7.4531. Okay. So the value at x equals to 1.5 will be 7.4531. So this is the process. So if a given table is given and we have to find a point which is lies beginning at the table, we will use the Newton forward interpolation formula in this way. First we have to calculate the difference table, and then using the formula we will get the desired value at the point. Okay, so this is the uses of Newton forward interpolation formula. Now in the same example, if we have to find y at x equals to 4.5. okay, if we have to find the y equals to x equals to 4.5 value of y at x equals to 4.5, then we'll use, as the 4.5 lies at the end of the table. Okay, so we will use the Newton backward interpolation formula. So to use the backward interpolation formula, we have to find first v. So v equals to x minus xn divided by h. Now x is 4.5 minus xn is 5, okay, and h is 1. So minus 0.5 v equals to, and the Newton backward interpolation formula is f of 4.5 equals to y is n plus v y in delta y n minus 1 plus v into v minus 1 by 2 factorial into delta square y n minus 1 plus v into y n minus 2, sorry, v into v minus 1 into v minus 2 divided by 3 factorial into delta cube y n minus 3 plus v into v minus 1 into v minus 2 into v minus 3 divided by 4 factorial into delta 4 y n minus 4 plus dot dot dot. Now here as n equals to 4, here as n equals to 4, so y4 means 0 1 2 3 4 22. Okay, we will use 22. Also plus v means minus 0.5 into delta yn minus 1. So if we look the difference table, we will get this value is 4. Okay, plus minus 0.5 into minus 0.5 minus 1 divided by 2 factorial means 2 into delta square yn minus 1. So this value. Okay, so for backward formula we will use these values. Okay, so 4 minus 3 minus 7 and minus 10. This will be minus 3. Third term, fourth term, v means minus 0.5 into minus 0.5 minus 1 into minus 0.5 minus 2 divided by 3 factorial means 6 into delta square yn minus 3 which is minus 7 plus minus 0.5 minus 0.5 minus 1 minus 0.5 minus 2 minus 0.5 minus 3 divided by 4 factorial which is 24 into 10. Okay, so first 22 minus 4 multiplied, this will be 2 plus, if you use the calculator we will get, this is minus and this is also minus, so we will get a minus. Okay, and 0.5 into 1.5, 0.5 into 1.5 into 3 divided by 2, this will be 1.125. Okay, this is minus, this is minus, this is minus, this is my total 4 minus, so this will be plus. Okay, so first 0.5 into 1.5 into 2.5. Okay, 2.5 into 7 divided by 6 will be 2.1875. Okay, 2.1875. Next, this is minus, total 4 minus and minus 10. As delta 4 yn minus 4 is minus 10. So this is minus 10. So 0.5 into and total 5 minus. So this will be minus 0.5 into 1.5. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. So 1 2 3 4 4 5. Divided by 24 into 10 will be 2.7344. Okay, so after calculating we will get 22 minus 2 minus 1.125 plus 2.1875 minus 2.7344 equals to 18.3281. Okay, 18.3281. This will be the value at 4.1, approximated. Also it is approximate, not exact value but approximated value. So this is the use of Newton backward interpolation formula to find at x equals to 4.5, to find the y at x equals to 4.5. okay. So when x lies the desired value of x lies on the beginning of the table, we will use Newton forward interpolation formula, and if the value lies the end of the table, then we will use the Newton backward interpolation formula. And first we have to see that this is in the equidistant space, okay, that is the entries are in equidistant form. Okay, so that's it. You can try it yourself. I am giving an example exercise. You can try it at home. Okay. So x and y are given as 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Corresponding values 23, 26, 30, 35, 45. Okay. Find the value of y when x equals to 22. Find the value of y when x equals to 22, and also find the value of y at x equals to 42. Okay, is it? Calculate it now. For x equals to 22, the answer will be 23.9136. okay, and the answer for this I don't know. You calculate it. Okay, I will give the result in the next class. Thank you.